Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2-litre self-charging hybrid CR-V SR. Now of course, walking around the car you will notice that you do get LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, and of course most importantly you do also get the LED headlights. You get 4 front parking sensors, 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, as you can see, with the gloss black internals with the diamond cut face. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, you will notice it is a 2020 model or the early 21 model. You've then got your reversing camera at the top there and 4 rear parking sensors along the bottom of the bumper. You've then got plenty of room in the tailgate as well, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and you've got a lever on either side which when you pull will fold the seats completely flat with the boot floor, as you can see just there. Walking around the car again, you will notice that this is the all-wheel drive variant, which is the more desirable model of the two. You don't tend to come across these very much anymore anyway, but like I say, they are very desirable. As you can see, you have got the flat folding rear seat just there. Lift the seat back up, you've then got, as you can see, 2 seating positions. You have got the upright position and the slightly reclined position just there, as you can see. Just lift the lever up just here and it will drop the seat back flush with the rear bench. You've then got ISOFIX mounting points across the bottom bench as well. Full electric windows all round, including automatic windows, keyless entry, keyless start, electrically adjusted wing mirrors, and most importantly, power fold wing mirrors, as you can see just there. In the middle, you've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've got your eCVT gearbox and your sports, econ and EV mode. You've then got your dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display over in the middle. We've got full satellite navigation. We've also got your various audio sources just here as well. And then we do have your Bluetooth hands-free as well. Over on the steering wheel, we have got your audio controls, onboard computer controls, voice control, and your Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer up top in the middle. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control. So the distance control will make sure there is a safe distance maintained from you and the car ahead, and then the lane keep assist will ensure that the car does stay within the lines on a motorway or any road for that matter. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 25,119 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.